Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. Welcome back to my channel. So I just have to start this video without wasting much time. Few days ago, I shared with us a post made by Dr. Agie, and in that post, I was able to go through the post she made where she shared an account in her world that belonged to 100 men. And in that post, 100 men of Mas Namadukano and of that of Mas Zakwa, I was a kind of confused about it, trying to know why she was able to share those things. And in the platform of As Is the Hot, the same write-up that she shared was also displayed by As Is the Hot. The same account, the same sentence, everything the same. As the Hot is a man who is not hiding her hate on PM. This guy has been on PM neck with other IPOB Nigerianists trying to label PM all manner of crime, that he is the one committing it and all that. That is also man's also. I questioned that. I was like, what is going on here? Am I missing something? So I'm surprised that her response today, she said that people are running propaganda. You know what? I'm not gonna say much now. Let's go through that before, if I can say anything, I'm gonna say it. All right, because I think it's getting to the point to make sure that we clear air on so many things that is going on. The little that I know. Listen, before I even go there, let me remind you of something. I'm not here to attack Dr. Agie, nor anybody. But I love it when we can, since we are matured, we believe to be matured, all of us are matured people. I want us to stand on what you know that is right. That does not mean that we are perfect. I'm not saying that you must be 100% right and all that. But at least that thing that you believe on, be proud of it. If you have to make a change, no problem. To adjust is normal thing. Like if you find out that you are making a mistake, it's okay. I can't hold you on that. But do not keep on doing something that you know that is wrong, but because of one hidden reason why you are doing that, you want everybody to believe that you're actually doing something good. Like, can we remove politics in everything? Because even if you want to play politics, play it and hands up. When you are in political office, act as a politician. When you come back home, behave like a household person. Don't act as if you are still in your office, your political office. It may not go down well. Nobody no parent would love to play politics on the health of his or her child. You know what I mean? Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I have to go through the post, the one of today. Let's go there. Here is a post made by Dr. Agie, and in this post, you can see the date. Okay, this happened to be yesterday. I called probably her time. All right, but for as of the time I'm reporting this, you can see is 9 hours ago. And in Giru, that is jumping from pillar to pole, he shared her post. Look at it. You know, one thing about Fallback Republic is that once you fall left, people in the left will see you as one of us. When you fall right, they will start seeing you. So this woman is now collaborating with driving joy from what Dr. Agie is saying. Like I remember Mazamaka said, some time ago, that when you are doing something and you see Northerners and Yorubas begin to praise you and take praise of you, as an able man, go back to drawing board and see where you're getting it wrong. All right, and I'm here not to accuse anybody, but to just remind us of something that some of us may know, or some even know that, but they're pretending that they don't know. So I'm not gonna read from the post from the handle of Kiru here, who reposted it. You know that will tell you all you need to know. If you know, you know. If you don't know, then forget about it. Here is Dr. Agie. Like I said, she made this post, and we are going to go through it the way we're supposed to. So I think I have clicked on something else. Let me go back here and present it to you the way I want, because I want to show you comment from her handle. Hopefully we have comment there. So let us go through it the way it is. All right, as you can see it on your screen now, this is from her. She said today's date, Wednesday, March 2025, March 25, 2026. March 25, 2026. Public clarification statement. I have received numerous calls and messages from Biafrans following my recent posts, especially from those interested in donating towards the Prime Minister's upcoming court appeal, court appeal legal services. I want to clearly address the major questions raised. One, am I part of the Biafran government in exile brigade like Dr. Bryson Okoma? The answer, you see, this question is not true. There's no brigade that Dr. Bryson Okoma and Imam Adabo are handling. There's nothing like that. The same brigade that you're talking about is the same brigade that Ogen told you that he has changed the document. Or do you have another one? Have you registered another one? Or is it the brigade that you usher in USB government? Which of the brigade? You see, when you begin to put some words and ignore the context of what you're saying, like the main topic itself, like I said, we are all matured. We were here when the whole plan was made, how Biafra will be redeclared and everything. It's not hidden. So ignoring it and start talking about brigade is erase some questions, and you are in better position to answer it. I don't want to go all out and I don't want to go deeper. I just want us to understand it, from basic aspect of it. Let's just talk from the surface, as if you know a little, not more than what you're supposed to know. The idea of tagging brigade to Imam Adabo, Bryson Okoma, Chomo Okoma, and rest of them goes to show that something is wrong somewhere, from my own point of view. She said the answer is no, that she's not part of them. Like I told you, they are not a brigade. For you to even identify them as a brigade when they call themselves CRC and badge, and you choose to use brigade, goes to speak volume. I'm not going to go there now, unless it's something that warranties comes up. All right? Because I see that as something is fishing somewhere. You don't do that. These guys have started addressing themselves as CRC chief, CRC member, until then they metaphors from there to non-brigade, which is uncalled for. And you are helping them to amplify that lies. I don't see that as something funny. He said no. Good, okay. No, right? Okay, let's continue. Number two, am I a member of the recent constituted 100 men and women committee by our leader, Mas Namadukano? And she said, answer, no, I don't know the members of that committee. All right. all right. But let me tell you, whether you're a member of these two people these two groups you've just mentioned now, it's not a crime. You have right to belong anywhere and be proud of it. Okay, imagine me now. I'm not a member of a city boy movement. I'm not a member of Tinubu. In fact, I don't even belong to any party. But this time I dress up, I put on Tinubu cap. The other day, I will hold, maybe any pin that has PDP flag. I'm not a member, but I love Tinubu cap. I'm not a member, but I love that word, city boys. I'm not a member. Okay. It's not as if you are reporting something. Maybe you are analyzing something. You're on your own. You resign. You're on. Okay. So how can you justify that? I'm just saying it because I'm the one that talked about this. I know that I'm the one you are referring when you say propaganda. We are getting there. Don't worry. Please Help me like the video. Number 3, you said, am I a member of the Divine Project team? 100 men and women. They come. Okay. This is for Imam Madabo and Mazakwa. But Mazakwa will publicly link this group up with the group that you mentioned here, number 2, as if they are one, but they're not, because the only common thing among the group is 100, and men and women. That's all. But there are two different ideology, two different groups pointing at something to achieve something, which you know. But you said no, you are not. Okay. Many of you experienced a preference for a dedicated and transparent fundraising effort strictly for the Prime Minister's legal services. I completely agree. I hope those responsible will take this feedback seriously and make the necessary adjustment. Okay. Let me pretend I did not see anything there. He said again, let me also make this clear. Now, let's hear. I have no intention of joining any Biafran agitation. I have no intention of joining any Biafran agitation structure or holding any position at this time. My active involvement in the Biafran cause began in June 2021 when the Prime Minister stepped into his role unexpectedly. Since then, my goal has remained the same: to support, not to seek power, position, or recognition. Good. This one, I cannot say that she's looking for power. I don't think she's looking for power. All right. I don't need to counter this one. That's from what I can see from outside. I don't think she's looking for power. I can agree on that as to some extent. Let's see, people who are in the cabinet may have different opinion, but from my own point of view, I don't see any reason to counter this one, that she's not seeking for power and all that. But she resigned. Then I'm not interested in title, influence, public recognition. Any interested, or I said I am only interested in results. Okay, which is what Biafran should learn, not to drag power. That one is good. Then she said here, I will support any effort that credibly secures a US-based attorney to collaborate with the Prime Minister's legal team in Finland. Good. Like that's what we all support that. All right. We all agree that one is okay. Nobody's against that one. As long as it's not attached with lies or pretense. That is the level of the seriousness this situation requires. Those who truly know me understand that I prefer to work behind the scenes. I did so from June 2021 to April 2023, long before many heard my name. All right, respect. There is one concern, they said, there is one concerning behavior I must address. You know, when he said this one, I was expecting to hear something, but okay. He said, paternalism. Okay, that paternalism. Let's see. Paternalism. We are all adults, she said, capable of making informed decisions. No one should attempt to control or dictate how other chose to support a cause. Nobody's dictating anything here. Come on. Nobody's dictating anything here. Like I said, you have right to belong to any group, focus on any group. I'm not here saying, oh, don't do this, so nah, don't do that. But that which you are doing, stand by it. Don't shake. Don't say, oh, I don't like sugarcane at all. I don't like sugarcane, but I don't joke with sugarcane. No, it doesn't make sense to me. She said again, At this time, the only group I am affiliated with is a non-agitation support community. This is a new group. That's why I put the title the way I put it. It's a new group. I never knew about this one. I'm just hearing it for the first time. She's affiliated to a group called Non-Agitation Support Community. That sounds like AKA autopilot, but let me just focus on what you said. PM Ekpa's Unshakable Able Circle. That's the PUC, and you can see the abbreviation. The name is PM Ekpa's Unshakable Circle with PUC. Please, if you have heard about this group before, I can't wait for you to put it on comment section. Then she went further by saying, finally, I sincerely appreciate those who reached out for clarification instead of spreading misinformation or propaganda. Who is spreading misinformation and propaganda? I hope we are not saying that what I'm saying is propaganda, because anything I said, I go to a platform and bring it out. Everything. I did not attack you. I'm just reporting what you put out there. If you're not proud of it, then why are you talking? Why are you having issue people talking about what they put out there? Imagine me now, if I snap my naked picture and upload it. Is it your fault that you shared it? No. You can't, unless if maybe I mistakenly put it, but if I put it and that has lasted for days, okay, it's no longer a mistake. It is a deliberate act, and I should be proud of it, isn't it? Ndewo no. Kaudochia, Princess Agie, Princess Agie, Dr. Agie. Now, when I confirmed that the group is actually mean business, PM Ekpa's Unshakable, they even have emblem. For them to have this emblem goes to show that another group is here. So now we have Ogegere group, fallback group, original fallback group, and we now have Imam Adabo Committee of Friends, aka CRC, BGC or BTT, I don't know what they call themselves. Then we now have Autopilot, which championed by Brefra Unite, SIA, and why is in France, and some other group like Ebekodike and although they said that Ebekodike is different, okay, but Ebekodike is very much in contact with their president, which is why is such a, and of course, what's the name of this man that always obeys, and many of them. That is Autopilot, fall back to Autopilot group. Now we now have this PM Ekpa's Unshakable Circle, which for now, Dr. Agie said that is where she belongs. So that contradicts what she said initially. Remember, she said that she don't belong to any group. Do you understand? So having this one now, what does that mean? What does that mean? You can guess, right? So a lot is to be said about this video, but since there's no comment here, I'm not gonna say much about it. All right, but I just want you to understand that it is questionable, very, very questionable. So I'm not gonna say any other thing than this. I just want you to know there's a new group out there, and I want you to know I want you to tell me all what you think about everything that we have discussed so far. What is your take about it? Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to like the video. Very, very important. Bye bye for now. Take care.